Okay, so consider the function f of s graphed at the right. So this is the function which is graphed at the right. अब हम देखेंगे that this is function 1, this is function 2 and this is function 3. So fence कहाँ पे हो रहा है? This is the fence over here and fence over here. अच्छा very easy, f of 1 क्या होगा? f of 1 यानी कि x1 होगा तो y की वैल्यू 1 है, x 1.5 होगा तो y की वैल्यू 3 है, x2 होगा x2 होगा तो y की वैल्यू 3 है, x-2 होगा तो y की वैल्यू 4 है. राइट द पीस वाइज इक्वेशन टू डिस्क्राइब दिस फंक्शन. अब जो हमारा काम है वो थोड़ा सा आपको पता है कि थोड़ा सा लेंथी होता है इक्वेशन को लिखने वाला काम, क्योंकि हमारी जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है वो ये वाली इक्वेशन है एंड यू नीड टू टेल मी दैट विच इक्वेशन इज दिस. ओके, सो दिस सीम्स टू बी अ क्वाड्रेटिक फंक्शन. तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन क्या होती है? नंबर 1 वाली इक्वेशन पे आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क. इट इज़ वाई इज इक्वल टू ए एक्स माइनस एच का होल स्क्वेयर प्लस के. ओके, तो अब मुझे बताओ कि एच और के यहाँ पे है वर्टेक्स. वर्टेक्स यहाँ पे क्या है? ओके, अब ए फाइंड करने के लिए हम एक पॉइंट 1 1 ले लेते हैं. तो 1 1 पॉइंट के ऊपर जब हम गोइंग टू वर्क, सो वी विल गेट ए इज इक्वल टू 1. सो इक्वेशन आ जाएगी वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेयर. दिस इज द इक्वेशन. ठीक है, एंड द इक्वेशन इज गोइंग फ्रॉम माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस 1. द डोमेन इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1 विच इज इंक्लूडेड. लाइन नंबर 2 की जो इक्वेशन होगी दैट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो इट इज़ फॉर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3 and the third one has the equation that is x. So now I'm going to write the function over here, f of x which is equal to x square for minus infinity to 1, 3, 4, 1 से 2, x 4, 2 से infinity. Okay, at Crazy Kids Boat Rental, it costs $20 to rent a canoe, and you can use it for up to and including 4 hours for this price. Additional time is charged $5 per hour. Okay, so sketch the graph to show the cost of the renting. तो cost of the renting कैसे show हो रही है हमारी? Renting con from crazy up to 8 hours where x is the time in the hours. Please show the labors. Write the piecewise equation. So c of x would be equal to $20 to rent a canon for up to and including 4 hours. 4 hours तक यानी कि 0 से 4 hours तक. $25 पर आवर चार्ज होगा यानी कि 4 से 5 आवर्स तक. $30 होगा 5 से 6 आवर्स तक. $35 होगा 6 से 7 आवर्स तक. और $40 होगा 7 से 8 आवर्स तक. Because it is saying up to 8 hours, we are going to plot the graph for up to 8 hours, so starting from 0 to 8. So it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here it is 10 20 30 40 50. Okay, so starting from not included till 4 included, then starting from this not included till 5 included, this not included 6 included, this not included 7 included, 40 30 20. No, it wasn't going to start from 10, it was going to start from 20. Evaluate the following h of 0, h of 0, तो लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 है यहाँ पे, तो वे गोइंग टू evaluate this 0 square minus 4 which is equal to plus 4. h of 1, 1 किस में आएगा, x ग्रेटर देन 0 लेस देन 2, तो 1 इसमें आएगा, 1 आ जाएगा, तो 1/2 प्लस 4/2 8 9/2. h of 2, x greater than equal to 2 minus 2 plus 4 which is equal to 2. Use the graph of f of x to answer the following questions. So f of -9 -7 के इक्वल है, f of 0 0 -3 के, ओके, -0.0001 -7 -0.000 प्लस -3. रेंज क्या है इसकी, y बिलोंग्स टू -7 -6 एंड -3. इक्वेशन ऑफ f of x लिखेंगे. सो f of x इज इक्वल टू -7 होगा जब हमारे पास -9 से 0 है, -3 होगा जब 0 से 3 है, और -6 होगा जब 3 से 9 है, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड. Write an equation for the following piecewise defined function. This function is absolute value function. This function is cubic function. And the last one is quadratic function. And this one is point. Okay. अब absolute value function की क्या equation होगी? How to find the absolute value function? Y is equal to a x minus h plus k. So h k क्या है यहाँ पे, +1 and 5. y is equal to a x minus 1 plus 5. अब a निकालने के लिए let's take this point. This is 1 2 1 2 3 -3 and 2. So 2 is equal to a -3 minus 1 plus 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to a -4. -3 by -4 is equal to a. A is equal to 3/4. Okay, so y is equal to 3/4 x minus 1 plus 5. 4 -7 which is not included till +1 which is included. सेकेंड तो हमारे पास पॉइंट है क्यूबिक फंक्शन. क्यूबिक फंक्शन का what is the equation for the cubic function? You should know the equations of all the functions. Y is equal to a x minus h whole cube plus k. So this is the cubic function. So what is hk for cubic function? This is 2 from here and 2 from here. So y is equal to a x minus 2 whole cube plus 2. So let's take one point of the cubic function. Let's take the same point 2 and 2. No, we can't take the same point. Okay, we need to take another point. It would be then 2.5 from here and 1.7 from here, and it is going to give us a is equal to -1 anyways. So I will get y is equal to minus x minus 2 whole cube plus 2, equation of our cubic function. And the last one equation is for quadratic function. Y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. What is h and k? It is 4 and 5. Y is equal to a x minus 4 whole square plus 5. To find a, let's take this point 6 1 2 3 6 3, so it's going to be 3 is equal to a 6 minus 4 whole square plus 5. 3 is equal to a 2 whole square is 4 plus 5. 3 minus 5 is 4a minus 2 by 4 is equal to a minus 1 by 2. So the equation is minus 1 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus 5. So I have no space to write the equation for this. So this is one equation, this is the next equation. I'm going to mark the equations. This is the equation, this is the equation, this is the equation. Also let me write the domains. For the cubic one, the domain is 1 3. For this one, the domain is 3 6, and there is another equation minus 2 4, x is equal to 3. So I'm going to again highlight this equation, this one is the domain, this one is the domain. Okay, so the b quiz part. B part has how many graphs? Okay, the first one is absolute value. Absolute value. The second one is going to go the quadratic one. The third one is going to be the cube root one. Okay, so let's solve for the equations of all of the graphs. Absolute value, y is equal to a x minus h plus k. What is h and k for the absolute value graph? This is plus 4 and minus 2. Minus 4 and minus 2. To find a, let's take the value on the absolute value graph. Let's say this is the point 1 2 3 minus 6 and 3. Okay, now going for the quadratic one, y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. So what is h and k? This one 1 and 6 minus 1. To find a, we need to take one point. Cube root. Okay, What is h and k? H and k is a center, and center is plus 1 and plus 3. 1 and 3. To find it, let's take this point. This is 2 and 5. And what is the domain for this function? It is moving from 0 and ending on 9, which is not included. And for this function, this is for -2 to 0. Okay, graph each of the following piecewise functions. So we are going to graph all of the functions turned by 10. Absolute value function. What is the formula for absolute value function? Y is equal to, okay, y is equal to a x minus h plus k. So what is h and k? It is minus 5 1. H and k is minus 5 1. So it means you are going to do minus 5 and 1. This will be the point. Next you're going to move 5 by 2, 5 up and 2, 1 2 3 4 5 up and 1 2 1 2 5 up, 2 right. Then 1 2 3 4 5 up and 2 right. And can what is the domain? It less than equal to -3. तो ये वाला पॉइंट हमारा -3 पे आ गया, तो हम इससे आगे नहीं जाएंगे, यहाँ स्टॉप हो जाएंगे. ये ग्राफ हमारा एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन का बन गया. अब नेक्स्ट है हमारा -1/t. अभी क्यूबिक है, क्यूबिक फंक्शन है. सो क्यूबिक फंक्शन हमारा, व्हाट इज़ अ क्यूबिक फंक्शन? इट इज़ a x माइनस h होल क्यूब प्लस k. सो यहाँ से पता चल रहा है डेट h एंड k है -1 और k 0 होगा. सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी, सेंटर विल बी -1 0 -1 0, ये सेंटर होगा. और शेप हमें पता चलती है अपने a से. a इज़ -1/2. सो द शेप वुड बी, it would be negative sign, so it would be going downward. And what does a tells us? Also this is from -3 to 1, so we can also take the points x y. Okay, for this one I'm doing -3 to 1. -3 is not, x is greater than -3. Greater than -3 means we can take -3, which is not included. So -3 plus 1, -3 plus 1 is -2. -2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the side, -8. Minus minus cancel, 2 4 side, so it would be 4. If I will take -2, -2 plus 1 would be -1. -1 cube will be -1, so it's plus 1/2. For -1, it's going to be -1 plus 1 would be 0. For 0, it's going to be 0 plus 1, 1, 1 cube, 1 -1/2. So we can move till less than 1, so we have to move. We can take 1 also. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 cube, 8, 2, 4, 8, -4. So let's plot according to this. -3, 4. Let me change the color. Okay. -1, 2, 3, -3 and +4. Okay. -2 and 1/2. -1 and 0. 0 and -1/2. 1 and -4. So the cubic function is going like this. Okay, then there is a point 3. There is another function that is 3. 1 2 3. at x is equal to 1. This is the function. Now there is another function, the last one, 6 minus x. So let's get some values for this x and y for 6 minus x. For 6 minus x is greater than 1, means for 1, 6 minus 1, 5. For 2, 6 minus 2, 4. For 3, 6 minus 3, 3. 1, it's going to be 5, it is not included. And even here, these were not included. 1, 5. For 2, it's going to be 4. For 3, it's going to be 3. So this is going to keep on going on in this way. And we have fence over here. Okay, the next part is we again have the function and we're going to draw the graph for this function. Okay, 1, 2, 3 minus 2x plus 1. Maybe it is mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, so it's a straight line. So m is the slope, c is the y-intercept 1. At 1 there would be a y-intercept and slope is minus 2. So for the slope minus 2, x is less than equal to minus 1. This is a cubic function 2x cube. Let's quickly take the values. X is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Between minus 1 and 1. So we can take 0. And we can take 1. Sorry, minus 1. Okay. So the third one is this one and we can do it. For 1 it's 2, for 2 it's 3, for 5 it's 4. Our range जो है what it is -2 to positive infinity. Okay, the last one, the C part. Okay, the second one, minus x minus 1, and the x is from greater than minus 5 less than equal to minus 1, so minus 5 plus 5 minus 1 minus 5 plus 5 plus 5 minus 1, 4, 4 square root 2 minus 1. The last one, the range is x is greater than minus 1 plus 1, 1 cubed 5 plus 1 6, x 0 0 cube root 0 5, x 1 minus 5 6. 6.4, evaluate the following functions for the given value of x. Okay, f of x is equal to 3 if x is less than equal to 2. So f of 2 यानी कि x is less than x is greater than 2, तो 2 -4 यानी कि ये वाला, जब -4 जब लेस देन 0 होगा तो -4 वाला केस होगा, 0 भी ये वाला केस होगा, 1/2 यानी कि x is greater than 0 वाला केस होगा। G7, 7 कहाँ पे आएगा, x is less than greater than पे आएगा, तो 7 to the 14, 14 minus 1 13, 0 0 कहाँ पे आएगा, x is less than equal to में 0 plus 5 5 minus 1 आएगा, x is less than minus 1 plus 5 4, 3 आएगा यहाँ पे, 3 plus 5 8. ओके, -4 आएगा, x is greater than -2 -3 -4, 3 -2 -4, 3 plus 4 is 8 9 10 11. No, x is greater than -2 -3 -4, x is less than equal to -2, -4 2 2s are 4 -6. So -2 less than equal to -2 -2 -4 -5 -1 6, x is greater than -2 6 is a 12, 3 minus 12 -9. Graph the following and state the overall domain and range of each of the following functions. X is less than equal to 0. X is 2x if x is greater than 0. 0 0 not included, greater than 0 1 2 2 4. So it would be minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to, okay. X plus 1 when x is less than 0. So plus 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is a step function 2 if x is less than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to minus 1 if x is between minus 3, mm, if x is between minus 3 and positive 3, so it would be minus 1, and minus 3 and positive 3 are not included. 3. So graph f of x is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 6, and rewrite the equation as a piecewise function. So f of x is equal to minus, for example, 2x minus 6 plus 4. So I can write it minus 2 x minus 3 . Okay, so for the absolute value function, for example, I am supposing this y is equal to minus a x minus h plus k. So h and k are minus 3 here. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This will be the point. And a is going to be 2. So we're going to take 2 steps down. 1, 2, and 1 step. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Graph the piecewise function, write an equation for f of x. Let's divide this function. The first part of this function is like this one. This is a quadratic function. The second part of the function is this one. This is again a quadratic function. The third part of the equation is this one, and this is an absolute value function. So for absolute y is equal to a x minus h plus k. So we can see that h and k are 6 and 4. So it would be a x minus 6 plus 4. And a is going to be maybe half. Let's calculate a taking this point 4 0. Minus 2, which would be 2, which would be 2 times 2 is 4. So it would be minus 2. So for absolute y is equal to minus 2 x minus 6 plus 4. Okay, the quadratic function is y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k, and h and k are 0 0. So y is equal to a x square, and to find a, let's take one point. Let's take this point. This is the point here, 2 and minus 4. 2 and minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to a and 4. It's going to be a is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 x square, or y is equal to minus x square. And what is the range? It is from minus 2 to 4, minus 2 to 2. And this is going from minus 2 to okay, the last one is quadratic function. X a is equal to plus h whole square plus k. Okay, h and k are here 1 2 minus 2 and minus 4, minus 2. To find a, let's take one value. This is the point 5 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5 plus 2, it would be minus 3 square is. So I have highlighted all of the equations. ओके, ग्राफ मॉड एफ ऑफ एक्स. सो मॉड एफ ऑफ एक्स में क्या होगा कि जो ऊपर वाले पार्ट्स हैं वो ऊपर ही रहेंगे और नीचे वाले सारे पार्ट्स आर गोइंग टू गो अप. इस यहाँ पे माइनस 4 है, सो हम यहाँ पे माइनस 4 के ऊपर एक पॉइंट लगा लेते हैं. और ये था पॉइंट हमारा माइनस 5 पे एक पॉइंट था. ये एक ग्राफ ऐसे जा रहा था, बट यहाँ माइनस 4 से लेके इट्स गोइंग टू बी माइनस 2. This point is -2 -4. तो इसके y वैल्यूज उल्टी हो जाएंगी. इट विल बिकम, नहीं, दिस पॉइंट इज -2 from the x-axis -4 from the y-axis. So it will become -2 from the x-axis plus 4 from the y-axis, like this. फिर ये 0 0 जो है ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. फिर ये वाला पॉइंट है +2 -4. सो ये बन जाएगा +2 +4, यानी कि आपके सारी y पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे. फिर ये पॉइंट आपका है 4 0, ये सही रहेगा। और ऊपर वाला आपका है ये पॉइंट 6 4, 6 4, ये भी ऐसे ही रहेगा। 7 8 8 0 भी ऐसे ही रहेगा। और 10 1 2। ओके, राइट द इक्वेशन फॉर द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन। तो अभी कौन कौन से फंक्शंस हैं? सबसे पहला फंक्शन जो हमें यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन। द सेकंड फंक्शन जो हमें यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा है, दैट इज अ सिंपल लाइन। द लास्ट वन जो हमें यहाँ नज़र आ रहा है, इट इज़ क्वाड्रेटिक। ओके, सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन फॉर द स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन। ओके, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन फॉर द स्क्वायर रूट फंक्शन? y is equal to a x minus h plus k, where h and k are the center point of the starting points. So it's 0 5. अच्छा, अब now we're going to take any one point. Let's take, हम ये point ले लेते हैं 1 2 3, और ये है -4 3। अच्छा, so we have -4 3, so it's going to be 3 is equal to a square root of x square root of x would be a negative number. For the time being, we will take it as a positive number so that we can find the square root, because negative of the square root never exists, but we'll consider as it is +4. So we will get -1. And what will be the domain for this function? This is the first equation. Achha, what is the equation of the line? Okay, so equation of the line is going to be -3/2x plus 5 for 0 to 2. The last one is the quadratic equation. I was choosing this color. Okay, y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. So what is h and k over here? 2 and 1. So y is equal to a x minus 2 whole square plus 1, and we need to find a. Let's take this point. This is 5 and -2. -2 is equal to a 5 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 4 5 3. 3 square is 9. So -3 over 9 is equal to a -1 over 3. So the equation would be y is equal to -1/3 x minus 2 whole square plus 1. And it would be for 2 to infinity. Question number 6 and 7. Okay, question number 6 is we are given with the equations and we are going to draw the graph for the equations. First of all, we have to do the graph for the equations and we need to find all of the following. Okay, the first of all, the graph is going to be, for the graph we need to find the values of x and y. Okay, for the first graph, for example, okay, x is less than equal to minus 5. So we can take x as minus 5. Minus 5, it will be give minus minus plus 5 for the 20 0. So minus 6. Okay, so the next one is xy, and here we are, x is greater than minus 5, so we can do minus x is greater than minus 5 and less than minus 3. Let's do it on minus 3, which won't be included. Minus 3 plus 12 0, minus 4, which is going to 4, and minus 5 8. This is minus 3 and the last one is, okay, 2x minus 4, x is greater than or equal to minus 2, so if we put 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4 0, greater than or equal to 2, 3, 3 to the 6, x minus 4, 2, square root of 2 is 2. Okay, let's make the graph now. 2 0, 4 2, 10 3.9. Okay, minus 3 0, which is not included, minus 4 plus 4, minus 5 8, minus 5 0, and there was minus 3 from minus 3, x is greater than or equal to minus 3, and then it is moving on. X is greater than or equal to minus 3 less than 2. So what is the domain of this graph? So domain is the values of the x-axis, range is minus 3 union 0 to infinity, minus 5 2, minus 4 minus 8 minus 20, which is equal to 12, minus 3. Question number 7. Again, we're given with a function and we need to graph this function. Okay, so the first one, there are 4 parts of this function. Okay, 5 by 3x plus 4. X is less than minus 6. So if we will take minus 6, it would be 0. Minus 6, 3 2 are 6, 5 to the 10, minus 10, minus 4, won't be 0, minus 4. X is less than minus 6. x is equal to minus 6 5p. X is less minus 4, sorry. Okay, minus 6 पे 1 2 3 minus 4 है. Okay, and minus 4 is going downward, and the other one is x is equal to minus 6 on minus 6 पे 5 है, यहाँ constant है. Okay, अच्छा उसके बाद we need to go for the third one. If we will calculate this, we will get x is greater than minus 6, यानी कि we can put x is minus 0 put कर दें, 2 0 तो 0, 4 minus 0 4 minus 2. The last one is x square minus 5. Greater than 2 means it can be 3 3 square 9 9 minus 5 4. For 3 it's going to be 4. Write the equation for the following function. Okay, this is the function and this is a cube root function. And for the cube root function it is minus 2 minus 1. This is a quadratic function. Let's first solve the cube root function. Okay, what is the formula for the cube root function? Y is equal to a cube root of x minus h plus k. So y is equal to a cube root of x plus 2 minus 1. Let's take this point. This is minus 5 plus 2. This was not the exact point. This is a cube root function, but y is equal to a cube root of x minus h plus k. Y is equal to a cube root of x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, now taking the point is important over here. Let's take this point. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. Okay, y is equal to 2 cube root of x plus 2 minus 1, and the domain is minus infinity to minus 1. Now the next one is the quadratic function. This one is a quadratic function. For the quadratic function, it is y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. H and k are 0 0. X minus 0 whole square plus 0. Y is equal to ax square. Taking any one point, let's say take this point. This is 1 and 3. So 3 is equal to a1. So a is equal to 3 minus 3. So the value is going to be y is equal to minus 3 x square minus 1 to 1. The last one is the absolute value function. Okay, absolute value function, it is y is equal to a x minus h plus k. And what is h and k? It is 1 2 3 3 and 6. To find a, let's take the point, this one, 5 and 1. Solve this one. The graph f of x is shown below. Find the f inverse x. First of all, we need to know what is the equation of f of x. And then we're going to find f inverse x. But this is sometimes very easy. Because this is y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. And h and k are minus 2 and plus 5. So we will get a x plus 2 whole square plus 5. So now we need to find a. We can take this point, this is plus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to a 1 plus 2 whole square plus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 is equal to a 2 plus 1 3. 3 square is 9. Okay, the next one is use the composition to show whether these are inverses or not. Okay. So because f of x and g of x are both giving x, so it is, so basically this function is going to turn into f of x is equal to minus 3 x plus 4, and f of x is equal to plus 3 x plus 4, and we're going to consider the positive one. Alhamdulillah, we're done with this exercise too, so hope you understand it. Must subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.